guys, good still morning. Good morning guys. So we're here at the bank today. So I did not take video there. Maybe it's not allowed. So we just do some deposit, checking something. So guys, after guys, I guess we're going to eat outside. You know guys, they have a typhoon here today, but na ayaw, wag mong buksan na ba closer to where we live guys, so that's why we're affected by the rain, you know. It's always rain here couple days na already. Yeah, so part of Cebu guys, typhoon is signal number one guys, part of Cebu. Yeah, so guys, see you later. No, I just put cover. What you guys doing?
Hi.
Hi guys. How are you guys? No daw kuya. Hi, we're waiting here for daddy guys. I'm fussy earlier guys. That's why we're waiting here in the car. Tell them. So here's my hubby over there guys. He's waiting on the calling his number. So watch them while their daddy's not yet here. It's pretty windy here guys. Windy and rain. What plastic? No, I haven't.
Okay, because I was like, I don't know what that's good. I got a rubber band.
So guys, if you see the weather is not great, look at that weather guys. It's kind of look like it's gonna rain. I like to go in Gabby's. So because because it's lunchtime, we're gonna eat lunch outside. Yeah, and that's it. We're gonna go guys to Gabby's. Actually the Gabby's food guys is affordable, good for the price, and their food is tasty too. Tasty. So we're gonna head that way over there. Okay, let's go. Huh?
You can show them, Gabby.
Yeah.
That's right.
guys, we're closer na. So over there guys is what was it? Sensorbal Vesture. Yeah. So we're gonna park here. Park over there. Well, this way that guy leave, and then we're gonna park there, and then we're gonna go inside. Watch out, my love.
I can't even like.
Hey, just wait. Let's go. Okay. Let's get inside. Yes, baby. So guys, let's go inside, guys. What the building over there? So the restaurant, guys, is in second floor. So we're gonna walk.
There you go. There you go.
It's chit time. And this is Gabby's over here.
Stand in that way, that is.
Yeah. Pull, anak, pull, pull. Like that. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Where did you sit, babe? Over there? This is their ice cream cookies. And this is their menu, guys. Gabby's. You know what you want, baby? Huh?
You want to read the menu?
This is their appetizer.
No. Yeah, I'm gonna stay with Pistol Chicken at 225.
Huh?
Can't beat that.
I guess it's a pool and shrimp in the bowl. You ready?
Yeah. No, he's not gonna go there.
Baby, baby, baby. Watch him, ah. It's gonna fall. So guys, this is the outside of Gabby's Bistro. Did you see this view, guys? It's pretty view. So while you're eating here, you can watch the view, and the winds is the waves is not really bad. And the other one is chat time. Guys, look at their tea. They have a giant tea over there. Giant tea. And my little man's drinking over there. Thank you. Look at that, guys. This is what he having. Yummy? Yes. And this is chicken pesto pasta. Mine is not yet. And this is mine, guys. Shrimp, fish and shrimp gambos. Tin, can you put it there, Austin? Put it there. Put it there.
Yeah, with my fork.
Ano dun? Ano dun? Yan, gede-gede. Ano ko yan? Ini ulit ipitin mo. Awesome. Huh? Yeah. Okay, one piece only. So guys, this is for today. So thank you so